this is Zule from Pomona, California, Zone 10A. Today is April 27th, 2020, and I will be making a video on how to collect bunching onion seeds. So this is how your bunching onion is going to look like when it starts going to seed. After that, it's going to look something like this, where the little flower head is starting to peek out. Hopefully you can see that. And then after that, it's going to look like this, which is a little flower head. Tiny little flower head. And then it's going to look something like this, which is opening up. And then it's gonna get bigger, and I'll bring you back once these start getting bigger, because they do expand a little bit more. They look like a big puff ball. I'll bring you back when they get bigger. Today is May 7, 2020, and I wanted to show you the bunching onions that are going to seed and the development. Okay, so now the little seeds are starting to show a little bit in the onion flower. So you see how the new ones that are going to seed, you just see the flower, nothing there, nothing forming. And then again, you get some that are, after the first one I showed you, they get to this stage, and then they start going into this stage. And this is the final stage before they are ready to open up and drop the seeds. But we're gonna capture it, or at least try to capture it before it drops the seeds, and regrow them just like I did these beautiful bunching onions. These are from seeds that I collected last year. Now, one thing I want to provide in this video is that these onions, I don't know if you can tell, but they're absolutely beautiful still. They're beautiful and they are green. That's because they have acclimatized, or they have adapted to my environment and climate, and they are just rocking on. We have had about a week and a half of 90 and above degrees, with the weather, and they have been doing excellent. I come out here and they're not wilting, they're standing up, they're beautiful and everything. So the point I'm trying to make is that if you can collect your own seed, whether it be from a tomato, from an onion, from a flower, from a zucchini, do it. Go ahead and do it, because it will do better with those seeds that you collected, because it has already adapted to your environment, your garden, and your area. Your garden, especially with the weather. So we'll go ahead and keep following the bunching onions going to seed, and I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to harvest those seeds, because I have a feeling those are going to be ready. And I have another here, maybe you can see that the little black dots are starting to be visible through the little paper little husk that it has. All right, I'll keep you guys posted. All right, guys, today is June 25th, 2020, and I'm so excited. Today is harvest day. Let's get these seeds harvested. Can't wait. And this is so easy, guys. You just bend down the stalk where the flower head is, and bam, we have seeds. I want to replay that again. So look at all these beautiful seeds, and check out how many there are. Just bend the stalk with the dry flower head, and you already have seeds falling on your tray. All right, so I did get a chance to harvest 3 flower heads, and all we're going to do is we are going to be shaking the little flower head on either the tray or on a napkin. Because it's hard to see the seeds on this tray, I'm going to use this napkin so you're able to see the seeds that do fall out. Now keep in mind that this flower head is not completely dry. Normally I do leave them about a week and a half to two to completely dry inside my house. But look, even when it's not completely dry, we have a lot of beautiful seeds that already popped out and they are ready to go. All you have to do again is just let the flower heads that you harvested, put them in a tray. Don't cover them up because you don't want moisture. Let them in a tray or in a plate and let them dry out for about a week to 2 weeks. And then after that, you just want to put a napkin, something where you're going to be able to see the amount of seeds that you are going to be shaking out of the dry flower heads, and then that's it. You'll have beautiful, beautiful, and a large amount of seeds to place in your garden for the following growing season. That's simple. Isn't it great how one plant can give us so many beautiful seeds? And as long as they're dark, dark black, they are going to germinate for you. I have done this. This is going to be my second year harvesting bunching onion seeds, and I recommend it to anybody that has a garden. Collect your own seeds. Well, guys, that's it from Little Bean's Garden. Thank you very, very much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and as always, take care.